Okay, YouTube, welcome back. How are ya? So stay with me. Boo, ew, 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 ew. All right, so today is going to be our first day of button restoration. This is a 13 GMC Yukon, and it is very common that the most popular buttons, the faces are worn out, especially if a woman driver has fingernails or a male driver has fingernails. This is actually destroy the faces of the buttons. And we also do the window switches too, and any other buttons that are completely worn out. So let me try and get you some good footage here. All right, so let's go with that. So what we're going to do first is we are going to clean. We're just using regular rubbing alcohol. And why would you want your vehicle to look like that when you get into it? Like, even cars that people purchase used, I don't see the used car dealerships restoring the buttons. So for me, I would say, maybe this car is really not for me because the buttons are jacked up. All right, so we're gonna clean the skank off of the buttons. And we only have 2 buttons on the climate controller here, or 3 buttons. It's hot and cold. All right, so look at the skank. So that's what you don't see. That's why we're using rubbing alcohol to get it clean. And then we're gonna dry it. And then when you do this, you don't want to touch the sticker. So we got fan controls, so we'll do them first. Here comes the boss. She's going to yell at me. You're taking too long, Anthony. Okay, so that's that one. Look how nice and new that looks. I didn't plan on doing 4 buttons, but we're going to do them anyway. Is it still doing it here? I'm sorry, guys. That one didn't lay too well. Let's see if I can get it back off. So it's coming apart underneath of there. So what I want to do is take a black permanent marker and I'll touch that up. So you can see a little bit of it up in there. This isn't a big deal. All right, so that's looking good. And then we're going to do the next button. The next button. And then we're going to do the next button. Now, if you want, you could paint behind these buttons, but I will tell you, a black permanent marker will do wonders. So check it out. So from nasty, okay, so everything's working the way it should. and then it looks great. So I don't know if I have the radio replacement one, but I will fix that up too. From ugly to nice. Thanks for watching.